ABANAKI's OilBoss is an innovative tool for keeping coolant free of oil. The patent-pending design allows for easy visual inspection of your coolant's condition and will also help extend tool and coolant life. It will allow for easy cleaning of various sumps or tanks around any plant or shop due to its portability and magnetic base. The OilBoss has a small footprint that reduces the amount of clutter and equipment on the shop floor. No matter how effective our product is, occasionally it might get into situations where the unit is not working properly. Here are 4 situations that might occur when in use. Situation number 1. Oil skimmer pump stops working or gets clogged. What should you do when OilBoss oil skimmer pump stops working or gets clogged? Don't panic. It is an uncommon, unusual situation unless the coolant tank is full of debris. As a result, the debris ended up accumulating inside the float filter. There are several ways to tackle this situation. First of all, simply clean the float assembly. Then, change float filter frequently. Most importantly, just keep the OilBoss float free of debris. Situation number 2. Magnetic plate won't adhere properly. One of the useful features of OilBoss oil skimmer is the magnetic base that allows for installation anywhere in the shop. It literally clings to any magnet surface in your shop. What if the magnetic plate slides off of the machining center or won't adhere properly? The standard mounting magnetic plate contains 5 magnets. An additional 3 magnets can be added to the backplate if it slides off the wall. Just a little tip. The area where the magnetic mounting plate will be placed must be clean and oil-free. Situation number 3. Adjustment of float assembly may be necessary. Once the OilBoss unit is running, adjustment of float assembly may be necessary to facilitate the proper flow into the pump. If float head sits too high or too low on the coolant surface, it might impact the flow. Remember, the float should be level and oil should be flowing over the float intake edge, causing a swirl to be present in the center of the float. To achieve the desired level, the float wheels can be adjusted up and down on the float head with a small wrench. Situation number 4. What if there is no oil coming out of the discharge hose? If you already owned our OilBoss oil skimmer, then you should know that our upgraded OilBoss oil skimmer uses a specially designed constant flow facilitator that automatically discharges the tramp oil skimmed from the coolant. What if there is no oil present or coming out of the discharge hose? Don't worry. Occasionally, it takes some time for the oil layer to get thick enough to build up to the point where it reaches the level of the discharge facilitator. If little oil is present, it may take several days. No matter what kind of situation you are experiencing when you are operating our OilBoss oil skimmer, please feel free to contact us at 440-543-7400 immediately. Our staff will come to your rescue. Please visit our website, www.abanaki.com, for more information. Thank you.